Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. Thank you so much. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. These are your bonus love messages for February 2021. A very happy birthday to all my Aquarius. You can comment me in the comment section so that I can personally wish you. Okay, Aquarius. And I'm very sorry because I was unable to do your reading for 1 week as I was not well. But now today I am back and I have done your readings. You can have a look on your other readings as I have done your main reading, your extended love reading, your general reading, your twin flame reading, your bonus love reading too. So you can have a look on that. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the bonus love messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Any other message? Any other message? That's it. Bottom of the deck, I'm having don't let your past hold you back, Aquarius. Don't let your past hold you back. Yeah, right. Just learn the lessons and move in a forward direction. So the messages for you is that have faith in your dreams. Okay, have faith in your dreams. You need to keep a faith, a belief in your dreams, and this is a time for healing, a time for healing. And you need to believe in your dreams, have faith in your dreams, whatever dreams you are right now having. Okay, so have faith in your dreams and a time for healing. My next message for you is meditate and contemplate. You need to meditate, Aquarius. You need to meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. Okay, new moon in Pisces. Meditate and contemplate. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So luck is on your side. You just need to meditate and contemplate right now. You are very close to achieving your goal, Aquarius. Okay, you are very close to achieving your goal. You just need to work through your fears. Work on your fears, Aquarius. New moon and Scorpio. So you have to work on your fears. That's it. Meditate and contemplate and work on your fears if you are having any kind of fear inside of you. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. That's right. You deserve best, Aquarius. Okay. You are abundant of everything. Abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of happiness, abundance of everything. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Then there is show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. That's very right. You have to show the real you to the world, Aquarius, who you are. You know that you are Aquarius. Okay, so show the world real you. There is prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. Okay, new moon in Taurus. Prosperities lie ahead. So these are the messages from Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Virgo, Aquarius and Taurus. These can be signs which you can be dealing with. Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Virgo, Aquarius and Taurus. Okay. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirit Oracle deck. And I love this Animal Spirit Oracle deck. Usually I love my all decks. Okay, all decks I love. My deck all. I'm in love with my decks. Yeah, that's right. These are very beautiful decks and I love them all. But whenever I hold them, I feel the energy of each deck. I can say that. So let's start back to your reading. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021? Any other message? Okay, any other message? No. Bottom of the deck, I'm having time to let go. Groundhog Spirit. Okay, this is a time to let go. Let go anything on which you are holding on, Aquarius, on those who don't serve your highest good. Let go all those. Okay, so the message for you is Koi Fish Spirit. There is always enough, and that's right, there is always enough. Okay, there is always enough. Cow Spirit, the miracles are endless. Miracles are endless. There is a Rhino Spirit. You will overcome any obstacle. So overcome any obstacle is here. Okay, overcome any obstacle. There is Outer Spirit. You are never alone, Aquarius. And there is Hawk Spirit. Let Spirit be your guide. You are never alone. Okay, you are never alone. Let the Spirit be your guide. That's the message from this Animal Tarot deck. Beautiful message. Then there is Snake Spirit. Time to heal. This is a time on which you will do your healing. A time to heal. You will complete your healing. There is Horse Spirit. Freedom is yours. Okay, freedom is yours. There is Spider Spirit. Make your dreams real. Make your dreams real. There is Chameleon Spirit. Act as if. Okay, as a chameleon spirit, act as if. There is a Seahorse Spirit. Watch and wait. Watch and wait. Then there is Beaver Spirit. Lay a foundation, lay a solid foundation. Maybe you are starting a new beginning in your life, a new relationship or a new career or whatever. You are starting a new thing. You just need to lay a solid foundation, Aquarius. Then there is Fox Spirit. Clear out the clutter. Okay, let go and clear out the clutter as soon as possible. Okay, clear out the clutter. There is Turtle Spirit. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, slow and steady wins the race. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much, Animal Spirit deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Numerology deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021? Let me see all messages. Is there any other message? See, I told you there is new beginnings. Whatever new beginnings are going to happen in your life, you just need to lay a solid foundation. Okay, any other message? Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams, Aquarius. There is a spiritual partnership and there is a spiritual career here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having karmic completion. Okay. There is a spiritual career and there is a spiritual partnership which is coming for you. Okay. There is a spiritual career. Some of you Aquarius, many of you are having spiritual career. Okay. And there is a spiritual partnership which is coming for you. There is a effort and there is leadership. So you born with a leadership quality, Aquarius. There is a leadership on which you are to work as a leader. Okay, so work on your leadership and there is effort. There are adventure which are waiting for you. Okay, can you see there is 5 here? 5 is all about change and there is double 5. So change is coming for you, adventure are coming for you. There is personal growth which are going to happen. You just need to follow your dreams. Follow your dreams, Aquarius. Follow your dreams. Have some kind of patience and compassion. Patience and compassion. 1122 was the recording reading time. Patience and compassion is there and there is synchronicity. See, I just told you 1122. Synchronicity are there. Maybe you can see number synchronicities. Any kind of synchronicity are going to happen here. You can see that. Then there is a new beginnings. New beginnings are coming for you. So these are the messages from numerology deck. And the number which can be important for you are 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 8 can be important number for you. 7 and 8. Okay, that can be an important number for you. Thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay. Let me see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021? Grace. Transition. Okay. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Enhancement. Any other message? Okay. Okay. So grace and transition. You're becoming more graceful than before, Aquarius, because this is the period of transition. You're getting transformation is taking place. The transition period is going on in your life. So you're becoming more graceful than before. After this transition period, you will be the new one and the beautiful, the strongest one. There is centering and the beauty of you are becoming more beautiful than before. You have to center yourself first, love yourself, focus on yourself, give yourself more priority, and there is enhancement. Okay, so beauty, enhancement and centering are the messages. And why I was laughing here is there is a divine timing. Okay, divine timing is here in your love life. Okay, there is a love. Then there is a balance and there is a change. Very powerful, very beautiful messages are there. Change is coming for you, Aquarius, and you will find your balance in your life. There will be balance in your life, in your love life, in your financial life. There will be a balance in your life in total. And there is a love here and there is a divine timing which is coming for you in your love life, in balance, in the change. beautiful cards for you. Can you see the change, the balance, the love, and there is a divine timing. So divine timing is coming for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. And these are beautiful messages. I love it. I love it. Let's see what are the messages from spell casting oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for February 2021? Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. Any other message? Okay. Let me see. Any other message? Any other message? No. Prosperity is coming for you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck. Inspiration and boundaries. You have to set up healthy boundaries around you, Aquarius, as you know that you're becoming more intuitive than before. You're becoming, transformation is taking place for you, and there is inspiration here. So inspiration is here and you have to set up healthy boundaries for you. You will find answers because answers are coming for you. You will find yourself, you will find the answers, whatever answers you are looking for. Okay, you're finding yourself and you are finding your answers. The answers are coming for you. Then there is trust and there is talent. Trust yourself, trust the divine, trust the universe that everything is working in your favor. Everything will happen according to the divine timing. And you are a talented soul, Aquarius. I always tell you this. So use your talents. Okay, have trust on your talents. Use your talent. Talent can be anything like singing, dancing, music, writing, reading, speaking, whatever it is, you know better, drawing, whatever talent you are having inside of you. So trust the divine, trust the universe, and trust your talent too. Then there is beauty and there is transformation. See, I told you the transition period was there in this deck. And there is transition and there is transformation, both are here. See, I told you this is the transformation period, this is the transition period in which you are getting transformed. Okay, transformation is taking place for you. So you're becoming more beautiful than before. Okay, you're finding more beautiful than before after this transformation. As I told you that you will be a new beautiful soul after this transformation. Okay, a very beautiful soul. So transformation is taking place for you. Thank you so much, spellcasting oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from quantum oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius February 2021? What are the messages? That's it. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new supportive connections are there around you, Aquarius. Okay. There is a conflict which is going to happen in your life, but do not worry at all. Okay, ignore this. Ignore it. Okay, conflicts is indicated here, but do not worry because there are ascended masters. The spirits are there with you. The ascended masters are there with you to help you out in your transformation in your life. Okay, and there are beautiful events which is coming for you. A commitment is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, can you see how bright light is here in the picture? So commitment is coming for you, and you are getting the honoring path. Okay, the honoring path is opening up, and there is playing it safe. But do not think like that. Can you see this girl is sitting here, and there is a lot of light and colors which are here waiting for crackers which are here, but she is waiting here and sitting that I do not want to go there and all. So just open your wings and fly, Aquarius, because you're going to get your honoring path here. You will receive your success, recognition, victory, honoring path for which you are here on this planet Earth. Whatever hard work you have done, you will receive it back. That's the law of karma. Thank you so much, Quantum Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from self-care card. Okay, what are the messages from the self-care cards for Aquarius, February 2021? What are the messages? Release, have a good cry. Grief is a doorway to a deepest self, right, Aquarius? You need to clear the clutter. Release if you are having anything inside of you, so you need to release as soon as possible. Let go and release anything on which you are holding on to. Okay, so release is the message for you. There is reflect. Keep your eyes open. Joy lives in small places. Okay, so enjoy every small place. Enjoy and open your eyes open in small places too. There is revelation. Okay, listen to your life. The right path will reveal itself. Revelation, yes, the right path will reveal itself. Okay, listen to your life. You will get to know what is the right path for you. There is tenderness. Speak gently to yourself. Cherish the child within yourself. Cherish the inner child. Heal your inner child. Okay, so tenderness is here. Speak gentle to yourself. 2233 was the recording reading time. There is awareness card. Practice present moment awareness. The meaning you yearn for lives is the now, ever present now. Okay, so live in the present moment. Enjoy your present. That's the now moment. There is wisdom. Let go of the need to control. Trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. That's very true. You need to trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. Let go anything on which you need to control. Okay, let go anything on which you need to control. There is a connection. Connect with someone special. A loved one is a gift to treasure. Okay, so connection is here. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages from your guides? What are the messages for Aquarius for February 2021? Give me the messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having choose love over fear, Aquarius. There is like attracts like. That's why I told you that's karma. Okay, likes attract like. Live your bliss. Live your bliss. Patience is a virtue. Okay, patience is a virtue. Inspire others. Inspire others. Worry is a wasted emotion, Aquarius. Do not worry at all. So worry is a wasted emotion. Inspire others. Set up your intentions. Okay, set your intentions, because you are having a journey within. Journey within is here. Thank you so much, guides, for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the universe to my lovely Aquarius, and after that I'm closing out this reading. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? February 2021. Any other message? Any other message? Too many messages from the universe, okay? Forgive Aquarius and create space for a new love. Okay, you need to forgive yourself, forgive anyone who hurt you, forgive them, and you need to create a see, I just choke up, excuse. Create space for new love. You need to make a space for new love, and forgive anyone who hurt you, and forgive yourself too. So that's the message from the universe. There is what you will give will come back. That's why I told you just now that whatever you will give, you will receive back. There is pucker up, buttercup. Being fair and reasonable will earn you respect and admiration, but being genuinely kind will make you a total love magnet. Go for a love magnet, Aquarius, okay? Then there is a deeper reason for each of your questions, okay? Seek it. There is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. Those who love you, okay? Those who love you are those you love you, and you will be surprised, okay? There is something in which you will be surprised, Aquarius. Ask with love and their answers will surprise you. Yet whatever their answers, be happy, and this may surprise them, okay? That's the message from the universe. You will be surprised. You are being watched by loving eyes. That's the message from the universe. That universe is watching you by loving eyes. 2727 was the recording reading time. There is huba huba and prepare to be astounded. Everyone, always, forever. Send them love, wish them peace, see them happy, and prepare to be astounded. Okay, oh man, you will be ever become a big time manifester. See, every time whatever you will give, you will receive back. That's the message from the universe. Okay, thank you so much, universe, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So these were your bonus love messages for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all of you Aquarius, wherever you are in the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you Aquarius. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, take care of yourself Aquarius, and see you soon.